Hi, want to know फायदे की बात? HDFC Securities is bringing you a host of exciting फायदे के features on its trading platforms to help you trade smart and fast. Let's dive in. फायदे का feature number 2, stock lending and borrowing mechanism. Our next feature lets you earn additional income on your idle long-term portfolio. Want to hear more about it? It's called stock lending and borrowing mechanism. Let's understand how it works. Over 500 stocks are eligible for lending and borrowing mechanism. If you hold stocks eligible for lending and borrowing, you can earn additional income by lending them to borrowers who want to short sell the stock. You will still own the stock and benefit from the capital appreciation. But who are the borrowers? That's a good question. The borrowers are typically traders who want to benefit from falling prices of a security by short selling it. Borrowers pay a fee or interest to short sell the stock, whereas the lenders earn additional income on their idle securities. ये हुई ना फायदे की बात. All these and many more फायदे के features are available with HDFC Securities. Visit hdfcsec.com/फायदे के features for more information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.